today's topic is electric potential in terms of electric field and electric potential energy of a system of charged particles. This is our fourth chapter, the electric potential. Now, first of all, we will consider a positive charge, test charge. We know that by convention we use positive charges as test charges. The positive charge is placed between two oppositely charged electric plates. So one is positively charged B plate and the other one is negatively charged A plate. The positive charge is placed here, Q now. The electric field lines are from positive to negative. The direction of electric field is from positive to negative. You can see from figure that the positive plate will repel this positive test charge and the negative plate will attract this positive charge. Automatically this charge will move from plate B to A and it will gain kinetic energy. On the other hand, if you want to move this charge from A to B, from negative plate towards the positive plate, you have to do work because you are going against the direction of electric field. And this work, this amount of work which you will do to move this positive charge from negative plate towards the positive plate will be stored in the form of energy, which is called electric potential energy. आमतौर पर हम पोटेंशियल एनर्जी की जब बात करते हैं तो वो कोई एनर्जी होती है जो किसी पोजीशन की वजह से होती है. जब हम इसकी बात कर रहे हैं, नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, इट विल बी द एनर्जी which is stored in the form of work which you will do to move this positive charge from a negative plate towards the positive plate like this, and it will be equal to the difference of the energies of this two states. Suppose the energy and their difference will be UB minus UA. UB is the energy at a B plate and UA at the A plate. It will be equal to negative of the work done because this work is done against the direction of the electric field. So, if we relate this F dot ds and F is equal to, you know that the electric force is equal to now if the separation between the plates is infinite, means there is a big separation between the very large separation between these two plates, then we will consider this at an infinite distance and it will be equal to minus this is the expression for the electric potential energy in terms of electric field. Now we will consider a system of charges like two charges Q1 and Q2 separated by a distance r. If we write the electric field because of this, it will be equal to E is equal to K Q1 over r square held by this charge Q2. If we put this in the expression UB minus UA is equal to minus Q2 E and a small distance dr, then minus putting the value of E K Q1 r square become minus k q1 q2 being constant can be kept out of the integral. After integration we will get minus k q1 q2 by applying power rule. UB minus UA is equal to minus this minus will and this minus will become plus k q1 q2 1 over r, because minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, this will become 1 over r a to b, and k after putting the limits we will get 1 over rb minus 1 over r2. And if we again consider the point A at infinite distance, then this will become 0. So expression will be the expression for the expression for electric potential energy will be k q1 q2 over r. This is our expression for the electric potential energy. Now if we consider a set of three charges, now if we consider a system of charges like q1, q2, q3, the distance between them is r1, 2, between 1 and 2, between 2 and 3 is 2, 3, and between 3 and 1 is r3, 1, then the expression for their potential energy will be k q1 q2 over r12 plus k q1 k2 k3 over r23 plus k q1 q3 r3. This is the expression for the electric potential energy of a system of charges, a system of three charges. This is our today's topic.